and motherland. While we are still standing, we take the third stanza as our opening prayer. O God of all creation, grant this one request. Help us to build a nation where no one is oppressed. And so with peace and plenty, Nigeria will be blessed. Amen. Please be seated. You're welcome, sir. Flanking him immediately is the commissioner in charge of estate. You're welcome, sir. And next to him is the commissioner security agencies here this morning. And the substance of our meeting, Michael Akpoti-Uduaghan, to whom I will humbly hand over the microphone. Chairman, sir.
As was held yesterday. Today marks an important milestone in the democratic process in Rivers State. Yesterday, the people of Rivers State trooped out in their numbers to exercise their civic duty. And so, it is now our responsibility as a commission, and in line with the law, to transparently and credibly present the outcome of their collective will. Now, before I do that, let me commend all the stakeholders in this process, the political parties, the candidates, the security agencies, the observers, the civil society organizations, the media, and indeed the electorate themselves for their cooperation and commitment to a peaceful electoral process yesterday. And so, having said that, by the powers conferred on me as the chairman of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, I will now proceed to make the following declarations. I thank you. Now, what we are doing here essentially is to declare the winner of the election, starting from the chairman-elect of each of the LGAs. I will do that by reading out the votes obtained by the chairman-elect. I will now call the name of the accompanying vice chairperson, and I will now tell you the party they belong. It is going to be in that order for the 23 LGAs. And then after that, I will go to LGA by LGA in terms of councillor-elects. For councillor-elects, we may not need to read out the votes garnered from the polls, because that had been already announced at the collation center level. And so I will begin, ladies and gentlemen, by calling out the name of the chairman-elect, LGA by LGA, beginning from Akpoti-Uduaghan local government. The chairman-elect for that LGA is Ofori Owolabi. He obtained the following votes: 28,755, 28755. He was therefore elected. The vice chairman to the chairman-elect is Abunu Victoria. Abunu Victoria is the vice chairman-elect in Akpoti-Uduaghan local government. Both belong to APC. Ahoda East, the chairman-elect for that LGA is Solomon Abuba Ochoma. He obtained 54,509 votes. 54519 votes. The Vice Chairman-elect is Florence Nduku. Florence Nduku is the Vice Chairman-elect for Ahoda East. Both of them are of the APC. Now, Ahoda West, the Chairman-elect for that LGA is Eugene Ekwele Chita. Eugene Ekwele Chita is the Chairman-elect for Ahoda West. He garnered 84,125 votes. 84,125 votes. The Vice Chairman-elect is Josephine Uba. Josephine Uba is the Vice Chairperson-elect for Ahoda West, both of whom are of the APC. Akuku Toro, the Chairman-elect for Akuku Toro is Bob Fubara Aboye A. Bob Fubara Aboya A is the Chairman-elect for Akuku Toro local government. He obtained 63,593 votes. 63,593 votes. The Vice Chairman-elect for that LGA is Wariagbani Oriane George. Wariagbani George is the Chairman-elect for Akuku Toro, and both belong to the APC. Andoni local government. The Chairman-elect for that LGA is Utua Lucky Promise. Utua Lucky Promise is the Chairman-elect for Andoni local government. He obtained 126,181 votes. 126,181 votes. The Vice Chairman-elect for that LGA is Ezekiel Raphael Abigbani. Ezekiel Raphael Abigbani is the Chairman-elect for Andoni local government area, and both of them belong to the APC. Asari Toro local government. The Chairman-elect for Asari Toro local government is George Onyogi Orefori. Is George Onyogi Orefori, whatever. He obtained 56,383 votes. 56,383 votes. The Vice Chairman-elect is Deborah Amos Bob Manuel. Deborah Amos Bob Manuel is the Chairman-elect for Asari Toro local government, both of whom are also of the APC. Boni local government. The Chairman-elect for Boni local government area is Purple Blessing Abiye. Purple Blessing Abiye is the Chairman-elect for Boni local government area, and he obtained 13,543 votes. 13,543 votes. The Vice Chairman-elect is Ebinye Aga elect for Boni local government, both of whom are of the APC. Degema local government. The Chairman-elect for Degema local government is Michael John Williams. Michael John Williams is the Chairman-elect for Degema local government area. He obtained 61,536 votes. 61,536 votes. The Vice Chairman-elect for that LGA is Harry Obuba Morin. Harry Obuba Morin is the Chairman-elect, is the Vice Chairman-elect, for Degema local government area. Next is Eleme local government. The Chairman-elect for Eleme local government is Obari Lomamate Alele Olo. Alele Olo is the chairman-elect for LML local government. He garnered 77,452 votes, 77452 votes. And the vice chairman-elect is Vitiu Eke. Vitiu Eke is the vice chairman-elect for LML local government, both of whom are of the APC. Emoha local government. The chairman-elect for Emoha local government area is Leod Chidi Julius. Leod Chidi Julius is the chairman-elect for Emoha local government. Sorry. He obtained 114,380 votes. Yes, thank you. He obtained 114,380 votes. And the vice chair-elect for Emoha is Amadi Vivian Obiageri. Amadi Vivian Obiageri is the vice chairman-elect for Emoha local government area. Next is the chair local government. The chairman-elect for chair local government, Njoku Boniface Chima. Njoku Boniface Chima is the chairman-elect for the chair local government area. He obtained 100,649 votes, 100,649 votes. And the vice chairman-elect for that LGA is Obene Faith Leoman. Obene Faith Leoman is the vice chairman-elect for the chair local government, both of whom are of the APC. Gokana local government. The chairman-elect for Gokana local government is Deko Nyima Confidence John. Deko Nyima Confidence John is the chairman-elect for Gokana local government. He obtained 96,478 votes. 96478 votes. The vice chairman-elect for that LGA is Obari FC Baroziga. Obari FC Baroziga is the chairman-elect for Gokana local government, both of whom are of the APC. Ikwere local government. The chairman-elect local government is Wobodo Charles. Wobodo Charles is the chairman-elect for Ikwere local government. He obtained 62,746 votes, 62,746 votes. The vice chairman-elect for that LGA is Kinika Ethel Chidi. Kinika Ethel Chidi is the vice chairman-elect for Ikwere local government, both of whom are of the APC. Kana local government. The chairman-elect for Kana local government is Thomas Berriere. Thomas Berriere is the chairman-elect for Kana local government. He garnered 156,027 votes, 156,027. The vice chairman-elect for that LGA is Nubere Pigi Ibrahim. Nubere Pigi Ibrahim is the vice chairman-elect for Kana local government, both also of the APC. Obiakpo local government. The chairman-elect for Obiakpo local government is Dr. Gift Onyinye Wolu. Dr. Gift Onyinye Wolu is the vice chairman-elect for Obiakpo local, is the chairman-elect for Obiakpo local government. He garnered 328,823 votes, 328823. The vice chair-elect for the LGA is Dr. Mrs. Gloria Joyce Nyeche. Dr. Mrs. Gloria Joyce Nyeche is the vice chairman-elect for Obiakpo local government, both of whom, these ones are of the PDP. Onelga. Onelga local government. Chukwu, the chairman-elect for that LGA is Chukwu Shedrack Obogu. Chukwu Shedrack Obogu is the chairman-elect for Onelga local government. He scored 51,051, 51051. And the vice chairman-elect for that LGA is Dr. Happiness Mwokocha. Dr. Happiness Mwokocha is the vice chairman-elect for Onelga. Both of them are of the APC. APC. Yes. Onelga. Dr. Happiness Mwokocha, both of them are of the PDP, not APC. Ogubolo local government. Ogubolo local government, the chairman-elect is Vincent Niemoboka. Vincent Niemoboka is the chairman-elect for Ogubolo local government. He scored 36,374, I beg your pardon, 36374. While the vice chairman-elect is Alabo Eunice. Alabo Eunice is the vice chairman-elect for Ogubolo local government, both of whom are of the APC. Okrika local government. The chairman-elect for that LGA is Akuro Alfred Tobin. Akuro Alfred Tobin is the chairman-elect for Okrika local government. He scored 32,285, 32285. The vice chairman-elect for that LGA is Obulobo Charity. Obulobo Charity is the vice chairman-elect for Okrika local government, both of whom are of the APC. Omuma local government. The chairman-elect for that LGA is Obasi Ochechukwu. Obasi Ochechukwu is the chairman-elect for Omuma LGA. He obtained 38,530 votes, 38530 votes. And the vice chairman-elect for that LGA is Achinyi Christina Joy. Achinyi Christina Joy is the vice chairman-elect for Omuma local government. Both are of the APC. Opobonkoro, the chairman-elect for Opobonkoro is James A. James. James A. James is the chairman-elect for Opobonkoro LGA. He obtained 38,822 valid votes, 34822 votes. And the vice chairman-elect for that LGA is Jacques Gladys. Jacques Gladys is the vice chair-elect for Opobonkoro LGA. Both of them are of the APC. Oyibo local government. The chairman-elect for Oyibo local government is Okechukwu Akara Nwogu. Okechukwu Akara Nwogu is the chairman-elect for Oyibo local government. He obtained 101,495 votes, 101,495 votes. And the vice chair-elect for that LGA is Okorie Ngozi Juliana. Okorie Ngozi Juliana is the vice chairman-elect for Oyibo local government, both of whom are of the APC. Falga. The chairman-elect for Falga local government is Sir Honorable Olwell Ihunda. Sir Honorable Olwell Ihunda is the chairman-elect for Falga LGA. He obtained 235,054 votes, 235054 votes. And the vice chair for that LGA is Tom Queen Mina Mildred. Vice chair for Falga is Tom Queen Mina Mildred, both of whom are of the PDP. Thai local government. The chairman-elect for Thai local government is Okpe Mbakpone. Okpe Mbakpone is the chairman-elect for Thai local government. He obtained 70,080 votes, 70080 votes. And the vice chair-elect for that LGA is Caroline Amawa. Caroline Amawa is the vice chair-elect for Thai local government. Both of them belong to the APC. Ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of the declaration of the chairman-elect and accompanying vice chair for the 23 local government areas in Rivers State. Now, you know that the councillor elects are 319. I will want the various commissioners who are in charge of these LGAs to come and also announce those names. We may not necessarily affix any votes to them because they have already been done at the ROA ward levels. And so, Secretary, we'll do that very quickly. Each commissioner will, announce the councillors elect for their various LGA very quickly.
Thank you very much, Chairman. Abu-Uduaghan.
LGA Itode, starting with Ward 1, LGA Iwodi Obinama, APC. Ward 2, Eminete Maitu, APC. Ward 3, Ogo Kromwa. Ward 3, Ologoma Ekulu Graham Friday, APC. Ward 4, Ayara Mofo, APC. Ward 5, Bife Daniel, APC. Ward 6, Edi Gotu, Ibu Kunigini, APC. Ward 7, Onyena Yowa Efuru Kiribdu, APC. Ward 8, Rufus Nupe Okulu, APC. Ward 9, Joel Ebanebo, APC. Ward 10, Living Olaf Kere Jumaila, APC. Ward 11, Abba Ejin Gold, APC. Ward 12, Asimi Umarani, APC. And Ward 13, Water Alex, APC. Okay. The next is Bonnet local government. Ward 1, Marvin Bevin Charles Halliday, APC. Ward 2, Maurice Stowell, APC. Ward 3, Banigo Francine, APC. Ward 4, Edwin Duran Bristol, APC. Ward 5, Boswell Brown, APC. Ward 6, Purple Ebiforo Jack, APC. Ward 7, Willie Foro Abe, APC. Ward 8, Elvis Edison Green, APC. Ward 9, Akega Jack May, APC. Ward 10, Kingsley Jumbo, APC. Ward 11, Allison Madu Lemi Obitoru, APC. And the last, Ward 12, Lawrence Tams Ibaso Labo, APC. Opopo Nkoro. Ward 1, Purple Beauty Peter, APC. Ward 2, Tobin Tamono Toye Christian, APC. Ward 3, Igagogo Stephanos Loretta, APC. Ward 4, Wadiso Ebony Eso Guinea, APC. Ward 5, Fubra Dagogo Charles, APC. Ward 6, Samuel Isaac Nege, APC. Ward 7, Purple Oliver, APC. Ward 8, Obomanum Raymond Sodiye, APC. Ward 9, Christina Teleman Emmanuel, APC. Ward 10, Sunday Bright Perene, APC. Ward 11, Giri Bere Bara Bunia, APC. And that's the last from Pupu Nkoro.
I'll start with how that is. Blessing Simeon, Ward 1, APC. Jaffred Tina Oguneye, APC. Ozoma Mila, APC. Eze Buhari, APC. Chukowa Nnamdi Isu, APC. Timeze Ishepu, APC. Ebe Chinonye Bartholomew, APC. Jonah Maria Odolirema, APC. Amade Oba Bike, APC. Bob Moses, APC. Justice Ebuka Hart, APC. Abare Izowo Chigozie, APC. Kimbide Isaac Jacob, APC. All for Ahoda East. For Ahoda West, starting with Ward 1. Gabriel Michael, APC. Kio Onosineme Ekene, APC. Daughter Enome, APC.
Isaiah Joe, APC. Ebo Evans, APC. Kingsley Uriah, APC. Chikere Romans, APC. Ushechukwu Ejimeye, APC. Amadu Arunrolu, APC. Ruben Jizoke Odum, APC. Christina Solomon. Christian Solomon, APC. Jonathan Cheta, Police, APC. All for Ahoda West. This is for Oba Ebe Mandoni, starting with Ward 1. Oba Ebe Mandoni, starting with Ward 1. Michael Munde Elechi, PDP. Sarah Woko, PDP. Chijoke Ijebede, PDP. Obua Ikechukwu, PDP. Oriji Chukwuledi Martins, PDP. Paul Ohaza Akuredi, PDP. Ogolo Macaulay, PDP. Bridget Orige, PDP. Otto Wutai Luga, PDP. Matthew Wokoma Numa, PDP. Wadero Kenneth, PDP. Ikewi Douglas, PDP. Obi Oloma, PDP. Awo Ambrose Uzo, PDP. Ekene Frank, PDP. Toflos Oyejiri N, PDP. Ameze Jacob Obodo, PDP. All for Abua Odua Ndoni local government, Onega. That's Oba. That's all Oba, Ebema Ndoni local governments.
I'll start with Eleme. Ward 1, Victor Dade Chikere, APC. Ward 2, Clement Obitia, APC. Ward 3, Oyo Michael Apollos, APC. Ward 4, Emejima Obo Olako, APC. Ward 5, Freedom Lekwa Lewa, APC. Ward 6, Thompson Monday Salu, APC. Ward 7, God's Power Ndo, APC. Ward 8, Isaac Obelechu, APC. Ward 9, Obo John Ezekiel, APC. Ward 10, Chuma Jima Daniel, APC. Gokana local government area. Ward 1, Aulo Baribuma, APC. Ward 2, Vinyene Peter Lie Mabari, APC. Ward 3, John Lebura Bariko, APC. Ward 4, Dumene Day, APC. Ward 5, Abba Maxwell Baridro Anen, APC. Ward 6, Sunday Confidence, APC. Ward 7, Dimpa Julius, APC. Ward 8, Dumle Divine Ma, APC. Ward 9, Yoni Charles Toate, APC. Ward 10, Baramoa Barididum, APC. Ward 11, Vopnu Togio Barry, APC. Ward 12, Monday Bura Barry, APC. Ward 13, Onwenye Onobo, APC. Ward 14, Tanya Baribie Sole, APC. Ward 15, Barikoi Ode, APC. Ward 16, Namene Barituka, APC. Ward 17, Norma Koi Princeville, APC. Kana local government area. Ward 1, Dixon Samuel Zobare, APC. Ward 2, Ika Daniel Miesua, APC. Ward 3, Alubara Joy Muekara, APC. Ward 4, Ndini Marcus, APC. Ward 5, Ndwa Longyear, APC. Ward 6, Leke Sodom, APC. Ward 7, Awe Samuel Olubari Success, APC. Ward 8, Nule Nyeka Bright, APC. Ward 9, Lawyer Menka Wika, APC. Ward 10, Man Paul Tedum Precious, APC. Ward 11, Wiwuga Neika Godson, APC. Ward 12, Tambari Brave Lezwa, APC. Ward 13, Widum Sunday Uncle, APC. Ward 14, Deibom Gobari Albright, APC. Ward 15, Naiwi Bari Naidai Barry, APC. Ward 16, Sunday Yabari Dumnia, APC. Ward 17, Barafenye Hyacinth, APC. Ward 18, James Nubarido Darlington, APC. And the last but not the least is Ward 19, Nkwe Bright Dumsira, APC.
The following are the elected councillors for Ogubolo, and they are all APCs. Ward 1, Tabunobere Dakiri Ellis.
Fourth, Aminiko. Ward 5, Legacy Milo. Ward 6,
NGOs and all stakeholders present.
Work on the certificates are almost ready. So it is definite that we are going to do presentation tomorrow. We will let you know the time. Thank you.